Hello everyone, I'm Divya. I got rank 40 in May AIMS this year. I am from Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, Pune, and I had joined DAMS test and discussion series. This preparation for AIMS can get tough sometimes, but you need to be patient and carry on your hard work. For my preparation, I did my long subjects thoroughly, and because in AIMS they ask a lot of questions from medicine, surgery, and a few short subjects also like opthal. This time there were a lot of questions from dermatology also, radiology, ortho. Overall, you have to be thorough with all the subjects, but you have to focus mainly on the long subjects, contrary to how we prepare for All India, where we focus a lot on short subjects. That becomes very important there. Our DAMS faculty is very good, and especially faculty for medicine, surgery. Of course, Sumer sir and Deepti ma'am, they are also very good. I especially liked the faculty for biochem here, pathology, microbiology, and every time when there used to be a test here, it used to give me a deadline to cover up my syllabus during that week. That gives a shape to your preparation, and it becomes easier to focus and have a plan in mind. Most importantly, it's very important to keep going. Many a times you'll feel that you need more sleep, you need more leisure time, but every day's work is very important. Even if you're studying for 6 hours a day, you have to maintain that schedule. And also the online activities of DAMS, like DAMS Exclusive Club, I think that's a brilliant idea because it helped me a lot. If you have a query, you don't have to look for different references to solve your problem. The faculty is there, you put up a query and they answer your questions. It becomes very easy. They keep putting updates, which is very important, especially for AIMS kind of exams, because they keep asking new things every time. And even those things that have not been updated in the textbooks and guides, you can see it there on the DAMS Exclusive Club. That's a very helpful thing. I'd also attended DAMS DVT series. They showed a lot of visuals, and as you all might know that in skin there were a lot of clinical questions in which they hadn't given a lot of text. They had shown pictures and you had to make a diagnosis, you had to decide management. So DVT helped me a lot. In fact, I can easily recall a lot of questions that were asked directly from DVT session. I think for everyone who is preparing for AIMS, you should never lose focus, and you should keep doing the hard work. I would like to thank entire DAMS faculty, not just for academics, but also for the support that they have given, all the encouragement. And I think it's a good idea to join regular classroom or test and discussion series with DAMS. Thank you.